Well, hello all, and welcome to another episode of Snacks, our vending machine finds and small bag, little bags of happiness. So today I have Brim's barbecue flavored fried pork rinds, churrahonis or whatever. I don't know how to pronounce that. So there we go. So let's give them a try. See if we can get the bag open today. Ugh. I think when the bag's hard to open, that means they're fresher. So here you go. I love my pork rinds, man. Wow. Those are really, really good. With a little happiness there. It's got a little bit of a bite to it, man. I really like that. So there you go. My daily find. And like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.